And we're back. And we launched to space last time, and 112 hours of playtime. Well, let's go. Today, plan is to set up the space science. Our next goal would be traveling to Vulcanus as the first planet. So I need to start doing space science pack, do platform thruster, plus the planet itself. These things is 500,000 plus a million, so 1.5 million, which is going to be 15 hours as soon as I start researching at full speed. Right now I'm not researching any, because I don't have the space science pack, right? Which is why we are finally researching construction robots, and hopefully I can get this done soon so that useless technologies like these are not going to slow me down. But yeah, there is no reason for my player to be in space anymore, so we're going to drop down. Oh shit, they destroyed the ghosted spawn location for me. Alright, whatever. Am I polluting anything? I actually am polluting something. Alright, so we start the day as usual by killing some biters, right? Okay, so we are making space platform foundation very slowly, because I don't have a lot of steel. Yeah, also some of that steel is going towards the solar panels. There's other things that I need for my space platform, right? Which is asteroid collectors and crushers. I don't need a lot of crushers, I'm pretty sure. Biggest problem will be supplying these with the chunks of asteroids. But first, let's go and kill the nests. Minutes until bots, and the space science has not even started. After bots, what do I do? I queued the inserter capacity bonus. Is there anything else? I can also research the production science pack, because that's what I'm going for after I get to Vulcanus, so I guess I will want that. There's also mining productivity too. Do I get this thing? How much does it give me? 10% more. Also this thing. This thing is useful because I will want to be unlocking the Fulgora right after, right? This, that. Let's do like that for now. And I have robots just researched. Look at this. Oh, this is going to be so annoying. Now I will have all of the ghosted landmines around the world when they die. Yeah, why did I unlock the robots? I should not have done that. Like, look at this mess that is left behind when I'm attacking now. Would have been nice if there was a setting to, like, not make the reconstruction ghosts for landmines. Maybe for some other things, too. Maybe, I don't know, maybe if it's not covered by a roboport, would also make sense. I cannot see the speech on the ground now. This was the worst research ever. So I need to start crafting these things from space, right? I don't need a lot of crushers, like I said. I will just need a bunch of asteroid collectors. This is the only thing that I am not making right now automatically, right? So I need to automate that. Alright. Do I want this to be quality? Sure. How's my iron doing? Okay, actually, I ran out of iron. I don't have iron. Okay, I need more ore patches. Let's at least, like, automate this. And then I go for a new stuff. Okay, and this dude is just going to be receiving these things, right? Okay, there is going to be another 3 more. 3 more of these productivity modules, by the way. Alright, I need a space platform foundation to go into one of these rockets. Maybe into not even one. Wait, this is the only thing that I need, right? The space platform foundations. No, there is also the solar panels. Okay, fine. We'll do this. Solar panels are over here. Use filters. Anything that's more than common is going there. All the other solar panels are going this way. Okay, so solar panels, foundations. What else do I need? These things, asteroid collectors, plus belts. How do I make belts though? I will just put them in a chest. I will also need inserters. Yeah. Alright, I think this middle one is just going to be a kind of manual where I put stuff with a chest. Alright, let's build the space science. And I want it to be a long line, I think. This thing requires an inserter. Right? So I do this. And then we do a long belt. Like that. I'm just going to have 3 crushers. And then I think for now I'm just going to be deleting everything. What I want for now is just see how many asteroids am I getting. Because I want to have a test. How much asteroids am I actually going to be getting. So we're going to do a long line. And like these things, I think. Basically. Okay, it looks like they don't do the... they do not send the rocket automatically if it's different items. So it must be all the same items. Kind of annoying. Can I not send the rockets still by sending a circuit to them? No, I can only read contents. Annoying. Yeah, okay, whatever. If I look at production... items... Wait, it does not tell me the asteroid chunks? The asteroid chunks, they don't count as production, really? From the hub down. Oh, shit. Why did I not filter those? I was just emptying everything that I was sending into the spaceship. Alright. I just want to see the numbers, right? Okay, now I have the asteroid chunks. But this is the wrong asteroid chunk, right? Because these stuff... sometimes give me more chunks, but I have definitely more than 3, right? All right, this is going to be slower because I'm not that experienced in the space age, right? Compared to the novice gameplay. I'm doing great. I mean, I'm in space, but at the same time, my base is being attacked on all the sides, and also I'm running out of resources. Right, going back. So now everything is empty, right? So now I can see how much production am I doing in the last minute. I'm doing 160 per minute, 60 per minute, 15 per minute. What I need 800 iron ore, right? So I need 4 times more than what I have. 400 iron, 800 iron ore. I need 400 ice. Is that right? Which means that I need 20 times more than this. Okay, so the question is, if I just build this bigger, does that work? Or does it not work? Also, I have kind of sent everything. I don't have more space platform foundation, so I need to craft more. And then I'm out of resources. Alright. I feel like we're not going to have this space science soon. I'm not sure if I will have it today. I have a problem with everything right now. I don't really want to focus on the wall right now, because I need that science soon. If I connect more, then I will need to fight even more. So they end this loop. Yeah, the pollution definitely has been spreading. I was not polluting that before. Yeah, oil. I mean, maybe I was just like emptying my buffers here. And it's almost empty. This amount of iron is actually not that bad, right? And we are going to be running low on ice. Do I send this down to Earth? To Novice, I mean? Because I am running out of resources right now. I mean, that's not a lot. That's not a lot. That's not even a belt. How much am I making? Foundation. 10 per minute. How much do I have here? 1000. And 100 minutes, which is 2 hours. So 2 hours to double this? Maybe it's not that bad because I need to connect more resources anyway, right? There is a lot of asteroid chunks at the top, right? Are they all going to the bottom? No. Like a lot of these, they are going like almost horizontally. If you have a spaceship like this, then the asteroids, where do the asteroids actually spawn? Do they spawn near your buildings? Or do they spawn on the bounding box of like the map size, right? Because our map is basically like automatically increasing its size the more we build, right? So here's the question. If I do a spaceship like this, my bounding box becomes something like that. Doesn't that cover more area? And doesn't this mean that I'm going to have more asteroid chunk spawns? Like, where do the asteroids spawn? They don't only spawn on the perimeter, right? I'm pretty sure that I saw some asteroids spawn in the middle. Do they? So, like, is the amount of asteroids proportional to the perimeter? They do only spawn on perimeter? Okay. So if it's only the perimeter, then it shouldn't matter if I build a long horizontal or a cross like this, right? Not clear on their trajectories. I would assume that they spawn with like random direction. That would make sense. I mean, I can just try going up. Just like this, you know? See if it changes anything. Like, what if I delete this, right? So right now, we have over here 35 collectors, right? So if I delete 20 of them, and then we build up here, will I have more or not? We can just test that. I have 400 per minute now. What was the number before? It was 250 or something, right? So why is this shape collecting more asteroids than just a horizontal shape? 64 collectors in a cross pattern is 800 ore per minute, and line is 69, and one side only is 400. Yeah, I just did the same test, literally, right? And I have the same results. Here's another theory, right? How do they spawn? Maybe they have the basically velocity towards the hub. How about that? They have a velocity towards the hub plus a little bit of RNG. You know, that is another way to implement something like that. So it means that like there is randomness, but there is like on average they are kind of going towards the middle, towards 0, 0. Would that like explain something? Cannot you just build more space platform, space science? Yes, we can ignore the fact that we don't understand the algorithm and just build more. I'm just trying to understand it. I'm not trying to see what's better. I'm trying to understand like how it's working for now. They like see the chunks easier somehow. They're really not visible on the black background. Like, look at all these chunks. They definitely do gravitate, like, on average, like, towards the hub, right? I don't see any chunk that is, like, going down, you know? So then there is another question. Do I even need these collectors? Or do I only need the collectors around here and just make, like, a long line, which just makes the asteroid spawn? I mean, there will be some that are hitting the line itself. I could have them more dense near the center and less dense near the outside, right? Because of like of them gravitating towards the center. Okay, 100,000 oil. That will be enough for now. All right, do I set up robots? Robots could help me build these things. Although, I still don't think I'm spending a lot of time building these outposts, right? I think it doesn't matter much. But yeah, I could like drop a roboport, robots, and like all the materials, and that's like built automatically. Feel like not super necessary though. Smaller logistic network for bringing the right things to rockets. Yeah, maybe do that. You're right, because right now I'm inserting manually, which means that only one rocket is working. So I need a couple of roboports. Logistic robots. They're going to be put here. I need a flying robot frame plus red chips, right? Okay, eventually I have the robots. All of this is provider chests. Okay, now since we do this, we just do automatic requests. There we go. There they go. Look at this. They are going to deliver 100 transfer belts to this. My 2 robots. Let's imagine that my space science is going to be working, right? I need another belt of science. The space science. So where is it going to go? Will I need more inventory space here, which is why I should not build it here. All right, let's just do here. And then also, I kind of am limited. If I have a cargo bay, like I can just connect through from one place like this, right? And like build as much as I want, which means that the maximum amount of inserters that can go out is this. Unless I want robots, but I don't think my robots are going to be good enough. How much is this? This is 30 inserters. Each one of them is 4 items. 288 items a second. If I will import 3 different science packs, so like space science, purple science, and yellow science, let's say, right? Then it's only 5,000. If it is like both like Vulcanus and Bulgora and that's going to be 6. That's not a lot, right? But I mean, I can improve the capacity of the inserters later. Quality inserters, yeah, also quality inserters. Yeah, I guess for now it doesn't really matter. I just need to make sure that I pull a full belt. I just need 4 inserters, right? Will we even research stack inserter? Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like, as you can see by like my space platform, I didn't really think a lot of the things through, right? Because I only like played Space Age once. I don't know much about it. Mining productivity 2, by the way, since I was running out of oil. This is literally 10% more oil. Alright, is it time for me to build anything? To build the actual science production. I need smelteries. Let's make multiple science ships because, I don't know, one is one and multiple is multiple. It's easier to manage. Right now it's not really a problem, but like eventually I will have more ships, right? It's like having these pins. You see how many pins I have here for the things I need to do? I need to fix. I don't want to have 100 ships. Okay, I think just 2 inserters for iron ore. Oh shit. I did it again. My foundation got deleted. It's fine, it's fine. We don't care about that. I guess I need to like place it, have a filter, and then copy paste it. Alright. Ice. Carbon. That's all I need. So I need to smelt. Yeah, let's start with smelting. How much do I need to smelt? I need 20 furnaces, I think. Like this. Available on planet 0 electric furnaces. That's not true. Okay, can I have a couple construction bots? Fine. Fine, guys. I will make a construction bot. Wait, why isn't this guy, why wasn't this guy recharging? Okay, available on planet 400. Do you have enough quality furnaces? I don't need quality furnaces, it doesn't matter. I might use this quality furnace for something else in the future. Like for my personal, like, fast spaceship, maybe. I have 1 rare, 11 uncommon, and I stopped crafting them. So this will be the belt of iron ore, and then we do ice and carbon directly into assemblers, right? 120 assemblers, right? So this is like iron plus it doesn't place underground automatically. It rotates it incorrectly. Okay. I need 1,500 for building this already. Okay. It's going to be blocking a lot of asteroids, right? I'll probably just like have another line like this. And then I have this stuff. This stuff. Long inserters. This is space science. And I have productivity modules inside. Now I need to make it go back. Is it worth it doing this for saving a little bit of space? Okay, and then I need enough inserters to put that inside, which should be 4 inserters. Like this. Alright, anyway, we have it planned, alright? We have it planned. Planning is already like half of the stuff that I needed to do. And then I will just need to have like more collectors for asteroids. And I will need to do more fighting. It's always more fighting that's needed, right? And then more outposts. It's always more resources that I need. Like I was saying, I am actually out of iron right now. I'm out of copper too. The oil, on the other hand, has been fixed. But iron and copper is low for my actual science. They did not add the thing where I can read the request for building from roboports still, right? It's very weird that they did not add this feature, since they have the feature on the space platform to read the ghosts, basically. It would be really good if I had that on the roboports. After the space science is done, I will be doing the wall. So hopefully my pollution cloud is like close to being stable right now, and it's not growing too much. Productivity modules I am going to be using here. I also think that I need productivity modules over here, by the way, on ice. I don't think I need productivity on other things. Might as well put it there, but probably doesn't matter. Maybe making this a rare productivity module would be really nice. How difficult would it be to craft it? I stopped making quality, but maybe I have enough resources for like 2 rare things, you know? Look at this rare iron and copper. Is this enough? I have more rare copper. Okay, I feel like I might be able to do a rare productivity module there for ice. Let's take a look at the progress here. Okay, it actually is being built. And that will be starting producing the space science already. Join the stream and I'm fighting biters. How exciting. It's, well, the exciting part is that soon this is going to be over, right? I'm trying to be quick here. I think this is possible to do faster than I am doing, but I don't know. How much faster can you be really here? Like right now, I feel like I'm wasting time, for example. Last around 5 hours, I think I'm wasting time for sure. Because I should have like had the space science done already. Now I'm going to have a little bit too much. This is going to be filled with space science. Let me maybe set up first receiving of the space science. I should do that. This looks like they're very slow. That's right. Power. Yeah, I have a little bit of problem with power, alright. We have it over here. This is the space science, which is going to give me the full belt, which means that this should request 1,000 of these to be inside. 1,000 will be enough. And then I just need that to go into the labs. There you go. Space science is here. Okay, so where do I put this? I'll have some other science pack later over here. Which means that This is going to be just half of a belt. And I think I just do this for now. Alright, this is 1,000 labs with space science, and then I will need to connect to this and that. So I need that. And I go up to the left. Okay, how do I make this space platform foundation to be crafted faster? Maybe self-expanding platform wasn't such a bad of an idea after all. Can I make sure that more steel is coming this way? Like, this is not enough steel. Yeah, it just like wasn't even coming because this is was not receiving a train. Maybe I should just do iron. I have this and that, and I can delete the biters in this area further out. Let's delete them first. But I can for now increase the priority of this station, so that the train is actually coming here before coming in other places, because this is what powers my space foundation. Mining productivity 2 is going to give me a lot more resources. I mean, it's 10% more, but I will still need more outposts, right? We can take a look at the iron. Right now I'm making 26,000 iron per minute, but what I want is to make like around 33, I guess. That's my maximum usage. I don't actually need to connect that much more, but yeah, 10% from the mining productivity is going to give me only like 2,000 more per minute. So like another red belt basically of war. Not too much. How much am I doing right now? 2.9 per minute. 200 per minute. About mining all iron and space to minimize pollution. I'm building space platforms too slowly, but I mean, yeah, I feel like I can really solve this issue that I have right now by just making this platform craft the foundation directly here, right? But also, like, mining all iron in space is like is not very good right now. The amount of ore that I need is so big that I think it's just a lot faster to just like place a couple more miners on Earth. I don't see any reason to collect the iron from space. It's not difficult to place more miners. The only problem with placing more miners is like that I need to kill more nests, right? I need to clear the territory. Yes. All right, so just this one iron ore is bringing me from 26,000 to 30. So like this and one more will be enough. So right now I'm limited just... Wait, what am I limited by then? If I have a lot of asteroids here, what am I limited by? Hold on, I think I need more resources than one belt. Do I? Or do I not? Wait a second. No, I need less than a full belt, right? I need less than half of a belt. I need 2/5 of a belt of iron and 1/5 of that. And yeah, maybe like one belt is going to be enough actually. Then all I need is this, right? I need to include excess iron. Maybe I do not crush the iron chunks then if I don't need them. Okay, so this one is going to be enabled if I have too much iron ore. So instead of these basically, right? I literally don't need these. I'm going to delete the chunks instead. I guess that's better, right? Just with the same condition. If iron ore is more than 500, right? If carbon is more than 500, if ice is more than 500, which is supposed to never happen. Yeah, so like this way I'm not going to be crushing more than I need, right? Wait, is 2 of these not enough? If I have so many ice asteroids, why am I not still doing 1800 SPM here? I think I miscalculated again, right? But just 1 more ice is going to fix everything. Are you gonna do the you're doing it right achievement? Construct more machines using robots than manually? Manually? Oh, wait, hold on. Manually almost almost a million actually? By robots, 0. There should be the achievement like for the opposite of the doing it right. I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. Do I make another like this is all the steel that is right now going towards the construction of the foundation. Do I make more? I can make more. Right, but I might want to switch to a different is there anything that I want to research here? Utility science pack? Uranium mining maybe? Is it time for uranium mining yet? Productivity module 2 is only 200,000. Is it worth it going for this? I don't think so. I'm too lazy to set this up. This is going to be taking a lot of blue chips. I think I'm doing this after Vulcanus. I know. Let's do this for now. So this is just going to be smelting 2 more belts of ore. Look at that graph. If right now it's 1800 SPM, we were actually having 3600 SPM at some point for around 5 minutes. This is a 30-second research. Yeah, that's why. I should have done this a long time ago, right? So that my platform was built already. Would it be worth it to get personal bots for fast building? No, personal not. But if I wanted to save a little bit of time, I could place a roboport here, not the personal one, but like the actual roboport. Give everything that is needed to be built here into like a storage chest, and then the bots build it for me. The bots right now, they're very slow. Personal bots are really bad. Right, look at all these steel. Now that is going to be a lot of foundation. How about my foundation? Do I need more? Of course I need more. Build more here. Or here. Or here. Alright, anyway, we're going to space. Soon-ish. 3 hours until the space bottom cluster is researched. But we don't have the 1800 SPM of white science yet. I'm just using my buffer currently, I guess, right? What's my current SPM? 900. I need to double it, right? Still. I'm definitely building these things. Still. 3. We need to basically be continuing the build constantly. And while that is happening, I'm going to be fighting. And I will need to connect more outposts, right? I think right now the biggest problem is the copper. So yeah, right now I need the copper. I'm doing now 1800 SPM. How much do I need? 1800 might be enough. That's another outpost. Where's my power? Over here. .4 SPM. Okay, yeah. Almost there, almost there. Let's improve the signaling on this area. I'm going to have something like this, something like that. So this should not be connected at all. I do want to go from over here to the bottom. See how they are going through here at the same time now. I just cannot go to this from above right now, which means that I need to add one more thing like this. The easiest way is to do this. Is this not the correct spot? But it allows me to place it there. Can I divide segments? Why not? Why not? You literally show me the, like you literally show me the preview that you're going to split this from this. What? But why is it still blinking? Is this like still next to two rails? I need to make it even further out. It still is blinking. So because it's like, it doesn't know if it wants to be like on this or on that, but it showed me the preview, right? That's like what I'm saying. The preview is incorrect then. But if it's over there, then it's working, right? Even although the preview basically tells me the same thing. Alright, anyway. That's going to work. Looks like good enough signaling to me. Yeah. When you do a lot of the same thing in game, find myself dreaming about that. Do you dream about nest clearing? Nah, not really, not really. I remember that, like, yeah, playing Factorio in general, I think a lot of people who play Factorio and, like, get addicted to it, they do have, like, dreams about Factorio. I think because there's other things that I like thinking about, because I have other projects than playing this game. It makes my mind occupied by those other things instead, which is nice. I'm actually having a break from Factorio, it means. But if it's the only thing that you're doing, then yeah. Can you show the space platform for white science? Yeah, sure. It's over here. It's like, this is my assemblers. This is my collectors. Wait for it, wait for it. The end is near, I promise you. It's right there. Almost at the end. Yep. There you go. It's looking like this. It's going in 3 directions. It's doing a full belt, which is 1800 SPM. So this is 1,400 tiles in one direction. Plus 1.5 in... So it's 3,000 horizontally. And then it's also 1,500 vertically. It's the perimeter that matters when you're building a space platform like that in terms of the amount of asteroids that spawn. There you go, 1869 SPM. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And why is it uranium mining? Let's postpone this. Our focus now is getting off this planet, Vulcanus. 1 million science packs is needed. 8 hours, 27 minutes. It's not even 10 hours. It's just 8.5 hours. Okay. So next time I need to build the wall. But like time is kind of limited. I have only 8 hours until I need to get out of this planet. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.